Which part of the brain helps form new memories? The right option is option B, hippocampus. The primary motor cortex is located in the right option is option A, frontal lobe. The part of the brain responsible for emotions is mainly the right option is option B, limbic system. The average weight of an adult human brain is about the right option is option B, 1400 grams. Which structure connects the two cerebral hemisphere? The right option is option B, corpus callosum. Memory is mainly stored in the right option is option C, hippocampus. The grooves on the brain surface are called the right option is option B, sulci. The area responsible for hearing is located in the right option is option D, temporal lobe. The brain part that maintains body temperature is the right option is option B, hypothalamus. The fluid that cushions the brain is the right option is option C, cerebrospinal fluid, which is not part of the brain stem. The right option is option D, thalamus. Parkinson's disease mainly affects the right option is option B, basal ganglia. The sense of smell is processed by the right option is option B, olfactory bulb. The part involved in fear and aggression. The right option is option B, amygdala. The right hemisphere of the brain controls the right option is option B, left side of the body. Which part of the brain is called the master gland controller? The right option is option A, hypothalamus. The brain consumes about of the body total energy. The right option is option C, 20%. Wernicke area is related to the right option is option B, language comprehension. Broca's area is associated with the right option is option C, speech production. Which part connects the brain to the spinal cord. The right option is option C, medulla oblongata. Which part of the brain regulates heartbeat and breathing? The right option is option B, medulla oblongata. The junction between two neurons is called. The right option is option B, synapse. The primary visual cortex is located in. The right option is option C, occipital lobe. Which part controls swallowing and coughing reflexes? The right option is option B, medulla oblongata. Which hemisphere is usually dominant for language in right-handed people? The right option is option B, left hemisphere. Which part helps regulate sleep and wake cycles? The right option is option B, hypothalamus. The autonomic nervous system is controlled by the right option is option B, hypothalamus. Which of the following is the deepest layer of meninges? The right option is option C, piameter. The protective membranes covering the brain are called. The right option is option B, meninges. Alzheimer's disease primarily affects. The right option is option C, hippocampus and cortex. Which brain part is called the little brain? The right option is option B, cerebellum. Which part relays sensory information to the cerebrum? The right option is option B, thalamus. Which of these is not a lobe of the cerebrum? The right option is option D, medullary. The raised ridges on the brain are called. The right option is option A, gyri. The outermost layer of the cerebrum is called. The right option is option C, cerebral cortex. The largest part of the human brain is. The right option is option B, cerebrum. Which part of the brain controls voluntary activities? The right option is option B, cerebrum. The brain is protected by. The right option is option A, skull. The part of the brain responsible for balance and coordination is. The right option is option C, cerebellum, which lobe processes visual information. The right option is option B, occipital.